Hello everybody. My next step in the deep cleaning process of the house is I'm taking some Murphy oil soap and cleaning the doors and trim and baseboards, stuff like that. They don't look dirty, but I will give a quick demonstration. These may not have ever been cleaned from the original owners, which were heavy smokers. The reg's not great, but we'll get going on this and see what all I can get off. It's kind of sticky. There you go. That's what I'm pulling off the doors. That's disgusting. I'm pretty sure that's nicotine buildup from the original owners that heavy smoked. And I'll show my water here in just a little bit. Very, very dirty. But I'm taking care of it. Alright, a little while later, that job is done. Water's quite dirty, so did a lot of good. Probably wouldn't be a bad idea in a few months to do this again, just to make sure they're even cleaner. And now I will go over them all with some Scott's Liquid Gold and polish them back out a little bit. So once again, this has been cleaning the doors for 2023. Thank you for watching.